To begin scheduling our tournament, we'll first need to add venues, and then we can move on to scheduling our games. To add venues, we can continue with the setup guide and select manage venues, or we can go in the left sidebar, select the manage tab, and scroll down and find the venues option. Here we can add our venue. We can provide an address so that people will have directions on where to go, and provide a name, acronym, and how many diamonds will be used. Now that we've added our venue, we can move on to scheduling our games. On Tourny, we support two different types of scheduling for tournaments. There's the more traditional tournament schedule where there will be assigned times and locations to each game. This way people know ahead of time where they're playing and when. Or there is the scheduling option more catered to sports like badminton or table tennis, where you can specify which courts are available and then order your games. And as games are being played, they are assigned to the next available court. For this, we will do assigned diamonds and times and confirm. And we can begin managing our schedule. Tourny supports schedule generation, but you can also, if you wish, enter your times manually. Let's get started generating a schedule. Here, we can specify the game lengths for each round, and then specify time slots in which games will be scheduled into. For this tournament, we're going to have the round robin on Friday and the playoffs on Saturday. So let's begin by adding our Friday time slot. So we'll have Friday, and let's do it from 10 a.m. to at the latest 5 p.m. and confirm. Once the time slot is added, you can edit the courts that are used, or in this case, diamonds. You can select the gear icon on a diamond, and you can specify which specific games should be used for this diamond. So here, let's say we want Pool A to play on Diamond 1, and Pool B to play on Diamond 2. And we can collapse this time slot and go on to adding our Saturday playoff time slot. So here we have the third selected, and let's say again, we're starting at 10 a.m. and to the latest 5 p.m. For our playoffs, we're not going to use Diamond 2, so we can do select diamonds, and we can deselect Diamond 2 and confirm. And we can go ahead and generate our schedule. We can see here that the schedule has found a place for each game. If it is incomplete, you can go back and maybe lengthen your time slots, or maybe make your game shorter if necessary. Let's view the schedule. So here in the calendar view, we can see we have games on Friday, May 2nd, and we can see the Pool A is playing on Diamond 1, while Pool B plays on Diamond 2. And if we scroll down, we can see Saturday, May 3rd, we have our semifinals starting at 10 a.m., followed by the other semifinals, then our bronze medal match, and finally the gold place game. If you need to make adjustments, you can drag and drop games. So let's say we do want our semifinals to play at the same time and use Diamond 2. We can drag that one semifinals over. You can also make adjustments in the list view. If you go in the top left, you can select list view, and we can manually edit times for each game. Once we're happy with our schedule, we can go ahead and save it. If you'd like to view your schedule and see how participants will see it, we can go to the Games tab on the left, and then select the Schedule tab on the top right here. And this will be how it is presented to your participants.